It may be recalled that the Bharatiya Janata Party had initiated a collective drive last month to provide assistance in cash and kind to the flood-affected victims of Bihar. A truckload of clothes collected from the people of Goa will now be leaving to Patna in the next 2 days.
So the truckload of clothes will go to the state unit of the BJP in Patna. From there it would be directed to the district headquarters, and from the district headquarters it would be sent to poor people who are there affected.
Speaking to Goa 365, Govind Parvatkar, BJP spokesperson, highlighted the provisions under which one can avail of tax relief if monetary contributions were made towards the Bihar Relief Program, which is still open to the public.
If anybody wants to get income tax benefits, he can deposit in the Apada Rahat Kosh account and get the counterfoil to us. We will arrange the required certificate to get a income tax benefit.
One can make a contribution to the National Bihar Flood Relief Program at the following address. Mr. Ruri himself, a member of parliament elected from the state of Bihar, spoke to our reporter about the present condition of the flood-ravaged state of Bihar.
It's a catastrophe, and the people who have been displaced, the people who have been killed, the people who have lost their property, lost their family, lost their wealth is large, and it would take a long time to rehabilitate them because it was a catastrophe like tsunami.
An acrimonious debate was witnessed at the Perne municipality over a proposal which included certain areas of the Perne Panchayat under the jurisdiction of the municipality. The chairperson of the Perne municipality, Mr. Isidore Fernandez, read out the resolutions passed at the meeting.
The municipal area should be enlarged on existing municipal area to the Perne revenue village as was prior to 1977. Resolve further that the above decision is taken to improve the revenue of Perne municipal area and to meet with the exigency for housing and commerce in the wake of Mopa International Airport, which is touching to the border of Perne revenue village. Resolve further that the chairperson is hereby authorized to give effect of this resolution with the help of municipal officer and the chief officer to place it before the government of Goa for approval and declarations, and further take such steps and action as may be necessary in this regard.
Speaking to Goa 365, Mr. Fernandez explained the reasons for passing the resolutions.
एक रेवेन्यू वाडोवपाक जे आयज म्युनिसिपालिटीन रेवेन्यू मेळता कितें इनकम सोर्सीस बी आहा ते सगळे आवटसायड आहात, म्युनिसिपालिटी भायर आहात. सो आमकां पेट्रोल पंप मेळचो, तेच्या कारणान ऑक्ट्रॉय मेळोन आमकां कितें तरी हें मेळचें, इंडस्ट्री एरिया मेळच्यो, जावं आनीक एक मोपा एअरपोर्ट येयल्ल्या कारणान आनीकूय आमची जेन्ना बॉर्डर वाडटली तेन्ना आनीकूय कितें कितें डेवलप जावन आमकां तेचो जायतो फायदो जालो कावन्सिलाक जो म्युनिसिपल एरिया, त्याच्यासाठी ही आमची.
Goa 365 also spoke to Councillor Pradeep Deshprabhu, who elaborated on the issue at hand.
It was Saza, Perne Revenue Village was Saza municipality. So that is the place which is we want to extend the limits. We don't want some other person's land. Our revenue village, which was Perne Revenue Village, there are about 4 revenue villages. So about Perne Revenue Village, which was the municipality here before 1977, that we are asking for the government, and we are asking for the government to plead the government that you give it to us.
What is this Saza?
Saza is a Penne Revenue Village. Kasabe म्हणतात ते, Kasabe, that is a Portuguese word.
Uttam Khotkar, a resident of Perne, was of the opinion that the exercise of extending the jurisdiction of the municipality was being done with the sole intention of bringing the proposed area to house the proposed new Perne bus stand within the jurisdiction of the municipality.
ते म्हणते मालप्या करूया, आता मालप्याची जागा भितून मागता, मग ती जागा त्यांची आहा ती आमकां मेळची असो तेजो समज. लोकांक हे भेटा काय कळले ना, कित्याक घेवंक सोदता पंचायती, इग्नोरची पंचायत कित्याक घेवंक सोदता, तर रेल्वे कुशीची जागा आसा प्रायवेट लोकांची, ती भितून गळ्यात घासान घालूंक मेळटली, ह्याच्या पलट दुसरें कांय ना. म्युन्सिपालिटी किती जाय जागा ती काय गरज आहा, इतक्या म्युन्सिपालिटीन करूं येता. तो करिना कित्याक ती जागा मागता, एरिया वाडली, वरास काडपाक एरिया वाडली, तेंची जागा मेळ्ळी आनी आपण राजा आहा.
The MLA of Perne, Dayanand Sopte, while elaborating on the agenda of the meeting, said that the voice of the people should be heard before a decision was taken in the matter.
On today's agenda of the meeting of this Perne Municipal Council, regarding the inclusion of some part of the different panchayat, particularly Vinoda Panchayat, Tuye and Porostade, and also some part of Tuyem Panchayat. With regards to this, I already made my suggestion to the chief officer as well as the member of the council that before finalizing that particular issue, we have to take in confidence people from all mentioned panchayat area, not only the panchayat body but along with panchayat body also to the public, and against for the inclusion of their portion panchayat area in municipality. It's opposed not only from the elected member, that is Panch, but also from the people to inclusion of this particular area in the municipal council.
The former Shiroda MLA and Congress stalwart Subhash Shirodkar this morning took charge as president of the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee at a function held at the Congress House at Panjim.
हांव म्हजी आमचे पार्टीच्या नांवान परबी दिता बाब सुभाष शिरोडकराक की आयज ताणें चार्ज घेतला आनी आयजसान तो काँग्रेस पार्टीचो नवो अध्यक्ष.
Around 100 Congress supporters and party workers escorted the new president Subhash Shirodkar from the Santa Monica jetty to the Congress House. Briefing media persons, Mr. Shirodkar assured party workers and the people of the state to work towards the betterment of the state.
की जी काँग्रेस पक्षाची परंपरा आसा आनीक आमची जी नीतिमूल्य आसात पक्षाची ती धरूनच ही जबाबदारी, हांव हें स्थान म्हणना किंवा मोठो अधिकार म्हणना, पूण ही जबाबदारी म्हजेर जी अखिल भारतीय काँग्रेस पक्षाचे अध्यक्षा बाय सोनिया गांधी, तशें आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी श्री हरिप्रसाद आनी त्या बरोबरच पक्ष श्रेष्ठी हांणी सगळ्यांनी ही जबाबदारी अत्यंत दिलखुलासपणान म्हजेणे दिल्ली आसा. त्या जबाबदारीक पात्र रावपाचो हर एक प्रयत्न, अविरत प्रयत्न सुभाष शिरोडकर करतलो अशें म्हज्या सगळ्या काँग्रेसच्या कार्यकर्त्यांक, सगळे जे पदाधिकारी आसात तांकां आनी तमाम गोमंतकी जनतेक हें ल्हानशें उतर दिता.
Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath assured full cooperation from the government to the new GPCC President Mr. Subhash Shirodkar.
कमिटीचो अध्यक्ष म्हणून आज चार्ज घेतला बाब सुभाष शिरोडकरान, ताका हांव सगळ्यांत पयलीं उनोनीत परबी दिता. तेंच काम सुभाष आनीक नेटान मुखार व्हरतलो आनी ताका काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांचो पदाधिकाऱ्यांचो तेंको मेळटलो, सरकाराचो पूर्ण तेंको ज्या पद्दतीन सार्दीन बाबाक मेळ्ळो त्याच भशेन सुभाष शिरोडकराकय मेळटलो.
Speaking at the function, the outgoing GPCC President Francisco Sardin opposed the Greenfield Airport at Mopa at the cost of the Daboli Airport.
480 कोट्यो प्रायम मिनिस्टरान आमकां ह्यो दवरलेल्यो एक्सपान्शनाक दाबोलींच्या. आतां आयकूंक येता की 380 आनी हेरूय जें आसा तें मुखार वचना म्हूण. हांव प्रश्न घातलो, पूण आयज हांव गोंयचे जनतेक क्लियर करूंक सोदतां की आमकां दाबोली जें कितें सँक्शन केल्लें तें एक्सपान्शना खातीर ते पयशे सगळे जाय आनी एक्सपान्शन जाता तितले बेगीन आमकां जाल्लें जाय. जोरी तर दाबोली कितेंच वायट जावन हें नासतना मोपाचेर आमी कॉन्सन्ट्रेट कोत्ताय जायत आमकां नाका. आमकां जाय पयलें दाबोली आहा ते भशेन उरपाक, टोटल इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्ट जावपाक, आनी तो आसून जेन्ना मोपा आनीक एक येता आमकां मोपाय जाय.